Get him, Lynn. Get him, Lynn. Real. Face. Tell me that's not a fisher, girl.
Oh, man.
Sharking with seaweed. Sharking with seaweed coast to coast. It's going down on the West Coast. Look at all these birds. Look at all that bay. Look at all these birds diving. West Coast action-packed. Tarpons, jacks, snappers. This is the Skyway Pier. Not my turf, but we're traveling and trying to learn this pier. So on every pier, every bridge, everywhere you go, the fishing styles and techniques change. Here we're using a sinker, a swivel, 8 feet a leader, and a spoon. Let's see if I have any luck. Way over behind me, because I have a long leader. You want to give yourself a lot of space to cast. Up and over. Thin braid so you get way out there for the max. All right, we're doing it. Skyway. J-Way told me how to do this. J Cross from Tampa, Florida. Here we go, Dante. You ready? I think we're gonna get one. Lynn, you think we'll get one? Here we go. Oh yeah! Woo! We're on, Lynn. You get him, Lynn. Get him, Lynn. Real. Real, Lynn. Yeah! Oh, I love it. Tampa, Florida, baby. We're getting them. Let me see. Lynn. Oh, mackerel, real, Lynn. Real, Lynn, your first mackerel. Lynn, real. Real, Lynn. Hold it right up, hold it right. Flip them in, Dante. Handline them. Handline them over. Yeah, Lynn. Give me 5, Lynn. Woo! How about it? Skyway Bridge. Sharking with. Wet out the G. Mama Dukes. All right, catch and release. Watch the teeth, Dante. Let Lenny let him go. Here, hold it, babe. I'll get it. Real. Real. Oh, what do you got? Oh, yeah, mackerel keeper. Real, flip him. Oh, yeah, Dante. You catch fish everywhere you go, buddy. Woo! Woo! Yeah, good job, buddy. Slammy 5. Once me and the kids mastered the West Coast techniques for catching mackerel, we wanted anybody down on their luck to catch. We were gifting out spoons, lending out our rod. A couple of our subscribers, one of them, Jacksonville native Brian, gets his first mackerel. A kid we met out there, Elias, catches his first mackerel. Anybody who wanted to catch, we'd help them out. 1, Mackerel, 2, Mackerel, 3, Mackerel, 3, Mackerel, 4, Mackerel, 5, Mackerel. Where we at, Brian?
Hey man, we're fishing on the Skyway, man. He put me on my first mackerel.
His first mackerel. Where you from, buddy?
I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. Moved here 2 weeks ago.
Jacksonville, Florida. Sharking with seaweed.
Yeah.
Skyway bridge style. Long leader, silver spoon, mackerel. Much different than what we're used to back home, but you need to adapt. You need to adapt your techniques. And never think you know it all. I asked all the locals here, I'm like, hey, I'm seaweed from Miami, from the Florida Keys. Help me out. They're like, seaweed, we know you, get a spoon. We saw our buddy from Macon, Georgia. What's his name, babe?
Ricky.
Ricky from Macon, Georgia. Tune into this episode. You're on it. I'm going to put a picture of Ricky. Fast as you can. Here we go, mackerel. Where you at? Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah. Sharking with seaweed. Lynn, I need the Punisher. Punisher. Yeah, that's my Lynn. Yeah, Lynn, get him. Hi, Lynn, dog. Woo, Lynn. Oh, the hook's already up, Lynn. Catch and release, baby. Watch the teeth. Let her pick it up on her own. All right, catch and release, baby. Oh, let me see your face. Tell me that's not a fisher, girl. Oh, man. Lynn, I'm sorry. Bye-bye. Good job, Lynn. Give me 5, Lynn. No wipies. She's a fisher girl. Elias, you ready?
Nobody.
Ready to get your first mackerel?
Nobody.
Woo, get him, Elias. Get him, buddy. Real.
Show us what you got.
Real, just real. All you gotta do is real. Real. Elias.
Flip him over. Flip him over.
Back up. He's a big one. All right, buddy. Whoa. Good job, buddy. You did good. Shark with seaweed. His first mackerel. We're on the Skyway Bridge and some Southern hospitality. We gotta keep. Whoa. We gotta keep the mackerel. Let's go, buddy. What's your name? Steve-O. Steve-O with seaweed. Steve-O's gonna put this out and get a shark or a jewfish.
Still got his bait in his mouth.
There it goes. Good luck, buddy.
Thank you much.
Appreciate you. You're welcome. Again? Oh! What are you doing? You're hooking your son. Mackerel head. Let him go quick before he gets hurt. Throw him back quick. All right. Good job, buddy. Good job, babe. You were making fun of your mom's cast. What happened? Hey, you remember she made you. And she was fishing before you were born with your dad. All right, Dante in on the action. Dante! Woo! Is that a keeper? That looks like a keeper, buddy. All right, mackerel ceviche. And another catch and release. How many now?
Like 34.
Nah, maybe 20, 25, not 34. Let me see. Another little guy. Oh! Good job. One of the groups that we gifted mackerels to out on the bridge for their family decided to grill some fresh mackerel and some short rib. And it was de leche mama leche. All right, West Coast trip, sharking with seaweed. We're on the Skyway Bridge, and I run into a buddy, Ricky.
What's going on?
From where you from, buddy?
Macon, Georgia.
Macon, Georgia. So look, Ricky's gonna come to Miami to come shark fish with me, and we're going to Georgia to do what? What are we gonna eat over there?
We're gonna go to Ricky's Taco Shop and have
Ricky's
some
Tacos! Do you have
Tortas,
tacos de celebro?
De todo.
De todo, órale!
Lengua, birria, con
Ah!
salami.
Hey, but listen, it's all family out here. We come from all over the place. We drove all the way from Miami. This guy came from Macon, Georgia. Hey, we turned up the mackerels today, huh? We're trying to. Hey, that's all for today. Sharking with Seaweed West Coast trip. All right, so we got our mackerels on the Skyway Bridge, and now we need some produce to cook them up. And we're at Turnip Produce in Manatee County, about 5 minutes from the Skyway Bridge. Look at all these fresh fruits. You have Georgia pecans, peanuts, blackberry, peaches, jalapenos. I'm probably gonna grab some. Dante, grab us a fresh jalapeno over there, buddy. Jalapeno, we need some limes. Oh, actually, just grab 2 limes.
Don't they have to be soft?
Yeah, pick them. How do you pick a lime? If the skin is hard, do you like it? So you want a thin skin. Let's see that lime. That's a perfect lime. Dante knows how to pick it. So when you're picking limes, you want a thin skin. You don't want any rumples, any rough patches. You don't want them to be yellow. Yellow means they've been sitting around too long. Those are 2 great limes, Lynn. All right, so we're doing makeshift ceviche in our makeshift hotel kitchen. The heat just lost. We just shut it off. But go ahead, Dante. We're squeezing limes by hand into our old seafood salad plastic from Publix. Good job, buddy. Keep them going. Next, don't worry, we got more limes. Next line. Here, I'll give you a hand. Squeeze. Here, I'll help you. Squeeze. Squeeze. This is the lime for our mackerel ceviche. Keep it going, Dante. We got more to go. Good job, buddy. This will be my cutting board. These alcoholic spritzer drinks will now be used. The box will be my cutting board. All right. This is for our ceviche. Some jalapeno. The kitchen of a YouTube chef. Here we go. We got our jalapeno in there. Now we're on to some red onion on our nice cutting board. These are delicious, by the way. These things, what are they called? 5 drinks, 5 Drinks, oh my God. 5 Drinks Company make these delicious little mojitos. So we're still at it with our makeshift cutting board. Now we're adding some red onion. And this knife is not very sharp. It's just a knife I had in the back of my truck. The tip is broken. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, baby. So we're chopping some onion to add to our jalapenos and our lime. And this is gonna be a good ceviche. Look like it's coming out all right so far. For our mackerel, our Skyway Bridge mackerel ceviche. Dante over here being a perfectionist, pulling the stems out of the cilantro. How do you like your spot?
It's not good over here.
This kitchen, you don't like the tools you've been given?
This kitchen.
Your cutting board sliding. We got lime juice everywhere. Dante, put a drip. We're not gonna have enough lime juice. Put a little bit of your lemonade. We're gonna have to improvise. This is how you do it with shark and with seaweed. All right, that's good. We need to drench our fish, so we're adding some lemonade from Publix to cover our fish. All right, let me get in there. Let me chop up that cilantro. Thank you, buddy. I'm telling you, we're in a hotel in Sarasota on the West Coast. Hey. All right, we got half a tomato, some cilantro mixed in with that. Let's add that cilantro and tomato to our lemon.
Bam!
To our lemon and our onions. Good job, buddy. Hello. Oh, this ceviche is gonna have lemon, cilantro, red onion, lime, and we're gonna put some candy yams in it. We're gonna keep it southern. All right, we're at the Eden Hotel in Sarasota, Florida, and we gotta find out a way to open this can of candied yams, and we gotta go fillet our mackerels. So follow us. We're gonna go through this lobby. Hopefully they don't rush me out of here for walking with a fillet knife. So originally we were gonna like throw the can from the 5th floor and body slam it and top rope it. But how are we gonna open that can of candied yams now, Dante? Yes, the staff here at the Eden Hotel is taking care of us. There he is right there. Thank you, sir. This is for our YouTube video. Here we have them, those beautiful Spanish mackerel fillets. Now it comes down to judgment call. Am I going to throw them with the skin on in the ceviche? Or am I gonna hack these little nice fillets and try to get that very, very fragile skin off? I think I don't want the gamey taste of the skin, so don't judge me on these small pieces of mackerel because I'm gonna lose most of my fillet taking the skin off. But here we go, here's a stab at it. I'm gonna try to do it, I've never skinned a mackerel. I'm gonna try to do it like a snapper. Here we go. So far, so good. I can't go all the way down or I'll cut through that skin. See, it's already cutting through the skin. I gotta come back up. All right, not bad, not bad. That's gonna work for our ceviche. Skinless mackerel, shark and with seaweed, Sarasota, West Coast trip. Got to get rid of all of our mackerel scraps, but there's an alligator warning in the Sarasota Lake. Uh-oh, hopefully the administrators of this hotel don't see us. They'll be angry. We have our clean fillets here and our open candy yams here. Let's go put this together for our ceviche. 5 Drinks Co., you got to sponsor us, man. Look, we're using your cardboard boxes for everything, for coolers, for vessels, the whole 9. The obstacle course continues. It keeps getting harder and harder. We had no lighting where we were, so now I'm in the middle of a hallway with these little soft chairs. Our cilantro, onion, and lime mixes in here. We're gonna add our ceviche that we chopped outside. I'm sorry, our mackerel that we chopped outside. Dante actually tried it. It's actually delicious without the skin. We're gonna add our mackerel, our candy yams that the staff helped us open. If not, we're gonna have to drop it from the 5th story. We're gonna add a little candy yams like they do in Peru. They actually use sweet potato, not actually candied yams. A little soy sauce, and we don't have any salt and pepper. So where'd we get our salt and pepper?
From Publix.
From where in Publix? From the deli. So we have packaged salt and pepper from the Publix deli. Let's do it. You help me put some? Yeah. Let's go. Put some salt and pepper from the deli. This is real camping. Well, I guess it's glamping, but it's not easy. Little pepper, black pepper, salt, candy yams, a little soy sauce. Dante's in the shower. Man, everything is against me here. But we're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let it sit overnight, and we're gonna add some avocado because the recipe says to add the avocado the following night. This will sit overnight, and tomorrow before we head back home, more pepper? Tomorrow before we head back home, we're gonna break this out of the refrigerator and tell you how it tastes. All right, so our mackerel ceviche is ready. It sat overnight. The pieces are all opaque and white and ready to go. And now, as a recipe that I looked at, we're gonna add our avocado. Little trick, guys, I'm sure most of you know, when you cut an avocado down, split it down the middle, you can just cut it with its skin on, how you want it to pop out, in any shape you want, long ways. In this case, we're gonna do chunks, and it holds it all together. It's the best way to cut a Haas avocado. Then you get your spoon, come over here, carve around your cuts, and boom, into your ceviche. Nice chunks. Stir that up. Oh, we got a little pit. Let's stir that up. Cut up our other piece of avocado. We're still in the hotel. We have limited resources, but we're making it happen. It's gonna be an inexpensive, chef quality ceviche in a hotel on the west coast of Florida, Sarasota. We'll eat this out by the lake. Cut out those chunks. All right, now we got some fresh avocado. Stir that together. Our hotel-made, limited resource mackerel ceviche is all done. Our West Coast trip is coming to an end. We fished the Skyway Bridge. We went to the cottage in Siesta Key. We went to another restaurant in Sarasota. We've been bouncing around the whole West Coast, but we're out of time for this episode. I'm gonna taste the ceviche, and then we're gonna send you guys off until our next episode. So let's get some of this mackerel. Red onion, I want some of that candy yam, I want some sweetness. Let's give it a try. Acidity from the lime, sweetness from that candy yam, fresh Haas avocado. I would eat this at a fine dining restaurant. Really good stuff, try it out, guys. Get some canned candy yams and throw it in your ceviche. It's actually pretty good. Really, really good, came out delicious. And mackerels, no more giving those away to my friends and family. That's on my list now. Sorry, Tia, I love you, but we're gonna be making mackerel sashimi and mackerel ceviche more often now. This concludes our episode, Sharking with Seaweed from the West Coast. Like, share, subscribe. We're out of here. We're trucking back to mommy because the kiddos have school tomorrow. Love you guys. Sharking with